We'll guide you through how to create a Printify jersey design. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to Printify's website. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, head over to the main dashboard and click on the catalog option at the top. From here, navigate to the clothing section and then choose sportswear. You'll find a variety of options, but for this tutorial, select jerseys. Now click on the jersey style you want to customize. You'll be taken to the product page where you can see different colors and sizes. Click on Start Designing to get to the design editor. Here, you'll see a mock-up of the jersey. You can add your graphics by clicking the Add Design button, which lets you upload images from your device. Make sure your images are high resolution for the best print quality. You can adjust the size and placement of your design by dragging it around on the jersey. If you'd like to add text, select the Add Text option. Choose your font size and color to match your overall design theme. Position the text where you want it on the jersey. Once you're happy with your design, click Preview to see how it looks on the jersey. If everything looks good, hit Save Product to keep your design. You can also click Add to Store if you're ready to sell it right away. Remember to check your design in different sizes to ensure it looks great across the board. That's it. Your custom jersey is ready to go. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.